Hello, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about a free day I had. I wake up late in the morning. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I make my bed slowly. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee and eat some toast. I sit by the window and look at the sun. I feel calm and happy. Later, I decide to go for a walk. I put on my shoes and step outside. I see birds and trees. I breathe fresh air and smile. In the afternoon, I try something fun. I pick up my painting brushes. I mix colors and paint slowly. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I laugh. I enjoy every moment. In the evening, I cook dinner. I taste the food and feel proud. Then, I clean the kitchen and relax on the sofa. I watch a little TV and sip my tea. Before I sleep, I write in my journal. I think about my day and feel thankful. It was a beautiful free day.